Hello students, Mr. D here, and in a previous lesson we explored two-digit by two-digit multiplication and solving it using four partial products. And it kind of went like this. 6 times 2, the ones times the ones, gives you a product of 12. Then 5 tens times 2 ones gives you a product of 100. Then 6 ones times 3 tens would give you a product of 180. And finally, 5 tens times 3 tens would give you a product of 1,500. Now, adding up all of those four partial products will give you a complete product and total answer of 1,792. Let's look at standard algorithm 2 by 1 multiplication. What you would do here is first you multiply the ones times the ones. In this case, 3 times 6, that'll give you 18. Now you have to regroup the 1, of course. Then you have 7 times 6, which equals 42, plus the regrouped 1 gives you a product of 438. So far we have looked at two-digit by two-digit multiplication using four partial products and standard algorithm 2 by 1 multiplication. Well, doing the standard algorithm of two-digit by two-digit multiplication is a lot like this for partial product, but we're only going to have two partial products. Let me explain. This right here is 25 times 46. And when you look at it, I want you to think there's actually two expressions going on here. You have 25 times 6, the product of those, plus you have the product of 25 times 4 tens. Remember, that's not a 4. That's 25 times 4 tens, which is 40. So when you get these two partial products and add them up, you actually will get the answer to that equation. So let me show you how we're going to do this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to do 25 times the 6. So we're going to forget about this 4 just for now. Following standard algorithm, as we have done before, we're going to do the ones times the ones. Now 5 times 6, that equals 30. So we have to regroup the 3 up here. Then we're going to do 2 times 6, which is 12, plus the regroup 3 equals 15. So the product of 25 times 6 equals 150. Now I'm going to cross out this regroup digit because I don't want to use it again. But this time we're going to be forgetting about this 6 ones because we already got the product here. We got that partial product. We're only going to look at this 4, 25 times 4. But remember, this is not 25 times 4. It's 25 times 4 tens. That's what we wrote over here. So we have to be careful to put a placeholder 0 there to remind us that we're multiplying by 4 tens. So if we follow through standard algorithm, 5 times 4 equals 20. Regroup the 2 up here. Remember, that's why we crossed out that regroup 3. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So our second partial product is 1,000. Now, if you think about it, 25 times 6, that actually equals 150. And if you think about it, 25 times 40, that actually equals 1,000. And if we were using expanded notation and the distributive property, we would have to add these two partial products up just as we did in a previous lesson. So here, we're going to add up our two partial products, and we're going to come out with 1,150. So my warnings to you are, don't forget to cross out any regroup digit when you multiply the first factor by the digit in the ones place. And the other thing is, if you're multiplying by the second digit in the second factor, this is a tens, you have to remember to put that 0 placeholder in here. If not, you're going to be multiplying by 4 here instead of 4 tens. Practice makes perfect, and I hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching.